The key to efficient reading is to be active and engaged. The most important thing is to have a purpose. So ask yourself, why am I reading this? Instead of just read to get it done. To know why you're reading something, you have to reflect on what you need to learn for your course. And to do that, you can look at old exams, you could look at assignment descriptions, you can look at the course goals. Also, to prepare your brain for all the details of the text, you need to get an overview of the text before you start reading. Start by looking at the title. This should give you an idea of the topic. Then flick through the text, look at the headings. This should give you an idea of the key concepts and also help you map out the structure of the text. Ask yourself, what do I think this text will be about? What do I already know about this topic? And what do I think will be the main point of the text? And finally, always make notes that force you to think. Don't just copy-paste. When you copy-paste, your brain doesn't have to work at all. Instead, ask questions to the text and write down the answers to these without looking at the text. This requires brain activity, which means that you will understand more and you will remember more of what you read.